and why it happens. Surface tension.
What are you doing and why are you doing it?
So today we're going to see what surface tension is and why it happens. So I'm just going to fill this.
Oh, use your pipette, buddy.
Okay. I'm going to fill my pipette up.
You gotta squeeze it, and put it underwater and let go. It'll suck it up.
And then put it into here.
Oh,
Then squeeze
fill it up
all the way. Come on.
all the way up
And then
and then lay it down. And then now you're going to get your more water in your pipette. You're going to put it on top. What we're going to do is it says to fill the test tube and then use the pipette. So let's fill the test.
halfway. There we go. So we're going to pick this up.
This is all the way, not halfway.
No, first we have to do it like this. So we're going to pour this.
Why did you pour it back up in there, son?
Because it says to.
Now, I'm going to fill this out all the way now.
Your arm's in the way, Christian.
You're
This
out
arm
of the
right
way,
here.
buddy.
Fill it all the way.
Captain Kirk, do you concur? Uh-huh. With your science officer?
And keep on adding it.
You're supposed to do it until it
I'm the
bulges.
captain, he's the guy who watching me.
It's running already. Look around. Whatever, pick it up and move it.
And now that we have this,
Don't hit it again. Turn it off.
It's bulging. Now what do we do?
now let's see if we can.
It takes forever to come out. And why is that? It's
Yeah.
called surface what?
Surface tension, but it's supposed to not stay there.
Hold on.
Everyone, let's try this again. I'm going.
I don't know how to.
Okay. Y'all, we're gonna try this again. I don't know what. But, like a good scientist would say, if the first try doesn't work, try and try again.
Alright, let's, hold on. How about we do it this way?
Oh, right.
We're going to pour it in there. That way, this is full. Stop.
Okay.
Christian,
My bad.
and leave this over here.
Anyways, y'all, we're going to try this again. Let's hope.
You didn't. There, it worked!
But
Oh, now it goes.
that's what happens. You shake it a little bit and it goes back in. So what causes surface tension? You see, water molecules attract one another. And the water molecules in surface tension is the bulging is what lets the water bulge over the top of the test tube.
I'm the captain.
We finally got it to work.
But while that is true, here's another.
Let's try it
thing that
again.
can happen.
Watch this.
You fill it up. We'll try this.
What keeps it, Christian, from going?
Surface tension.
Look!
See?
Surface tension.
It won't. It's sealing the test tube. But you shake it. You're trying to break surface tension. But another way to break surface tension. Come on, we need dish soap.
What? Oh, I need to do it again.
No, we need dish soap.
Oh, well, I don't have dish soap on me right now. Hold on.
Go get some dish
We
soap.
don't have anything.
So, y'all, drop a tiny drop
We can't do a tiny drop. It doesn't work. There's nothing there.
There it is.
and let it in there.
Isn't it broke the surface tension.
When that, you see surface,
Talk to everybody.
now, you can imagine surface tension like a shield. It's blocking the water.
I see it.
As we saw in the previous episode, like we saw in our last try for surface tension. But, okay, so surface tension is caused by water molecules at the surface. Well, the molecules stick together. But, as we saw, you're probably wondering what happened. Well, this soap can destroy surface tension. You see, you can imagine this soap molecule as a snake with a head and tail. The head loves water while the tail hates it. And when the tail rushes towards the surface of the water. And as it pushes through the water, squeezing between them, it pushes the molecules apart. And that's how the surface tension breaks.
All right. Till next time.
Yep. Till next